Hey, Crosby Scholar alumni. I just wanted to reach out to you and provide you with a quick how-to video for the last dollar grant application. Okay? So, quick step-by-step. Follow along. If you have any questions, please reach out to Crosby Scholars at info@crosbyscholarsrowan.org, or you can reach out to me, Eric Brooks, High School Program Manager at ebrooks@crosbyscholarsrowan.org. All right? Let's get started. Start out on our webpage, crosbyscholarsrowan.org. Go over to portal. It'll take you to your login. So you will log in. Okay. So as a student, this is how this is how you'll manage your Crosby portal, and of course you all know that. Here, the body of your page, you'll see last dollar grant application is now open. You can select more. It'll give you more information about what's required for your last dollar grant application. So immediately, your eyes are drawn to the first line. The last dollar grant application for the 2020-2021 academic year is now open in the Crosby Scholars portal. Please have your 1, FAFSA student aid report, 2, copy of your college acceptance letter, and 3, copy of your college financial aid offer ready to upload in either PDF or Word format. Okay, so that is the main part or the main gist of the application. So or the application requirements. So let's go ahead and get started. Top of your screen, college/funding last dollar grant. Select there. Apply for last dollar grant. Okay, so here you'll see information that you have, put into your portal over the years. So, of course, Eric Brooks, address, city, zip code, phone number, all of that good information. The goal is to update everything that's on this page. Okay, so is this information correct? If not, click here to edit your student profile. So when you edit, what we're looking for is everything on this page to be updated. So edit this info. So everything from address to home phone, cell number. Do not select middle school at all. Make sure your gender, your race, your college student ID. Okay, let's do that as if I'm a student. Okay, your college email address. And then last but not least, select your college name. Okay. And then from there, we will update. All right. So now your contact information is all updated and in good standing. All right. So let's go back to last dollar grant application. Apply for last dollar grant. So everything is now reflected there. Everything is up to date. Now the 3 items that you need to upload for your application: college acceptance letter, college financial aid offer, and then your FAFSA student aid report. So let's go ahead and upload those documents. Okay. Acceptance letter. Make sure you submit after each one. College financial aid offer or award letter. That's next, and then the FAFSA student aid report for the 2020-2021 school year. So very simple upload document. We're looking for financial aid letter. Here we go. Submit. And then we're looking for the FAFSA student aid report. So edit, choose file, student aid report, submit. Okay, now once all of those documents are uploaded to your Crosby portal, You'll see a reminder once uploading all of the LDG last dollar grant documents, you must go back to your last dollar grant application and click submit for your application to be processed. Okay, so back to your last dollar grant, continue, and here is where you will select submit. Okay, so again, before you select submit, make sure that everything is correct. First, last name, address, phone numbers, personal email, high school, college information, right, including institution, college student ID, and college email. Make sure that's all in there. And then last but not least, documents. Make sure that those documents have been uploaded, and then you'll select submit. All right, your application has been submitted successfully. Application status, your application has been submitted and is currently under review. If you have any questions or comments about your status, please contact Crosby Scholars. So again, info@crosbyscholarsrowan.org or contact me, ebrooks@crosbyscholarsrowan.org. All right, so quick step-by-step for the last dollar grant. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please reach out. All right, thanks.